All right, folks, so it's late night tonight, 11 o'clock. I was just out here a little bit to work a little while for Monday Night Football, and I'm down here on Paradise and like approaching Sahara. Now, we have a lot of wind and rain here tonight. Some freakish weather that comes from Utah and Midtown Las Vegas right now where Strat is. The power is out, so they got ambulances everywhere, and they're trying to restore the power in this area, okay? So it looks like between Elvis Presley, or actually a little bit before that, between Elvis Presley and like Bob Stupak, right past the Strat here, and Paradise and Las Vegas, the power is out. Yeah, you can see that right over here on Sahara Avenue. Okay. I hope they know that there's nobody has the right of way in this area. See, it's the police right here. All right, probably making sure that nobody's going to do any looting or robbing, okay? Look at that, look at that. The 7-Eleven there to the left. All right? No power. Man, this is bad. I've never seen it like this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I'm just gonna turn to the Strat there. See, there's no power at the Strat. I think the police is over here at this, to the left, is at the apartment complex again. They'll probably make sure that anybody's gonna get hurt. All right, by maybe somebody homeless, potentially. Okay. This is Main Street and Paradise. Again, this is where the stratosphere is. Look at this, there's no power. This is a Carl's Jr. right here, no power there, all right? Man, this is really bad, man. Here, they got a lot of the barricades here that's been blown away. Man. All right, so right in this section right here, okay, where between where Main is and Sahara, this block is out